Hello friends, I am Dr. R.M. Mehra. I am a scientific Vastu expert, interior designer, color expert and a sick building syndrome expert. In these years of practice and teaching, we have come across various scientific aspects of Vastu. The subject we deal with, the subject we see, the subject we understand, analyze and feel is absolutely different from what people know about it. The way we perceive and understand is different. We talk about various aspects of scientific Vastu, and today I'll be sharing one of them with you. We call this concept as building physiology. If you look at body, it is one of the most beautiful creation of the Almighty. A structure which is on an automation mode, self-created, self-maintained systems within the body. If I ask you, do you take care of your liver or your kidney? You don't know because you're not taking any special care. Your heart, you don't know. The internal mechanism and internal machinery was self-created and is self-maintained. So, it's a very high-profile automation system. If you look at human body, it is an embodied structure of energies. There are openings through which the internal environment gets connected to external environment. The internal process is governed by the external processes, and there is a defensive system or an automation system which balances it, which revives the health. So human body, if you look at it, is one of the ideal creation, and ancient architects has always been striving hard to create structures which are similar or have similar phenomena or processes like human body. In Hindi we call it Manav Dehi. If you look at building physiology, then basically we try and understand that just like a child when takes birth and comes in contact with the forces of nature, starts breathing. And when it breathes, it takes in fresh air. It takes water, gets in connection with the five elements, gets in connection with other forces of nature. And the body turns independent. A completely independent structure in contact with the forces of nature has an automation system. Similarly, a building which has been constructed with the laws of nature, I would say it has been constructed well, properly according to the laws and norms it has been designed. A perfect creation gets in sync with the forces of nature again. It's also an embodied structure, a structure with embodied energies. It comes in contact with forces of nature and revives that automation system by itself. The building also has a physiology, a self-created, self-maintained system in it. Electricity is a very new concept. Power is a very new concept. But even before we had electricity, we had norms of living with nature. People knew how to modulate and bring cold winds and extreme summers or in the midday. How? They knew that art. They knew the art of bringing colder winds or creating thermal comfort or visual comfort. They knew the art of eradicating the pest from the house. They knew the art of increasing the frequencies of the wind. They knew various arts of living in sync with nature or laws of nature. So when we construct building, the most important point here to understand is, because we are comparing with the human body, if it has been created perfectly, it lives a longer life and the quality of life is also good. Similarly, if the building has been constructed perfectly with the laws of nature, divine laws, It will have a longer life, and the quality of life and the environmental quality will also be higher. So, this building which has been created with divine laws or the laws of nature, or basically the concepts of scientific Vastu, will also develop an automation system like a body. Not as high-tech and equipped as body is, but will also have balance and health naturally revived in support of the forces of nature. Here the prime fundamental point is, it is also a box which has some openings like a body. The external forces are regularly on an impact, which are dynamically moving around and creating a life inside like a body. The self-perpetuating or self-sustaining systems, smart systems which are self-created and self-maintained, is what we call as building physiology. So we are learning a very, very unusual concept of scientific Vastu, that yes, a perfectly designed building is on an automation mode. It has everything or lots of things happening on its own. A smart building or a sustainable building or a building which has an automation system will be able to generate lesser waste, will consume lesser power, reuse water, and lots of other advantages, lots of other things in sync with nature, and things will be automatic. Lots of things will be automatic. If we give time and observe, drag a chair and observe, we will be able to be surprised that there is an automation system created because of the forces of nature inside the building. There is no magic. It's purely science. When the sun is moving, there are different levels of light. There is a different level of thermal visual comforts. Because of the temperature change, there is a wind movement. Because of the different temperatures, there is a difference of the organic and inorganic contaminants. So you will find as every step the sun is moving, there is a dramatic change in the type and quality of life that people will enjoy. The energy reserves will be different. The harnessing will be different. The focal and flow of the energy will be different. So you have to look at it from a very dynamic perspective, that basically Vastu is a science of energy dynamism, energy transformation, energy manifestation. And nature is a macro system. It is a system, which is self-governed. It's a macro system, and we are micro systems. Even a building is a micro system. And in this macro system, when it is constructed, it is also self-governed. We have been ignorant to the fact that it has an automation system. It works in connect with the nature. So when I say building physiology is self-created, self-maintained automation systems, we need to technically understand how does it work. How does these automation systems, they are created? What are the fundamental and advantages we can draw? And free, all of them free. So it's a wonderful science. Scientific Vastu is a beautiful subject, extremely beautiful. Very much. Thank you.